Terrestrial protected areas of the Philippines. In terms of biodiversity, the Philippines is considered megadiverse. This is because of its exceptional levels of endemic life forms. This rich biodiversity is preserved and conserved by proclaiming their habitats as protected areas. They are managed to maintain biological diversity and to regulate extractive activities. Among the terrestrial protected areas are the Northern Sierra Madre Mountain Range and the ASEAN Heritage Parks in the Philippines. Northern Sierra Madre Mountain Range in Isabela is the most significant protected area in the country. It is the widest remaining tropical rainforest reserve where various endemic species are found. ASEAN Heritage Parks are defined as protected areas of high conservation importance, preserving in total a complete spectrum of representative ecosystems of the ASEAN region. Mount Iglitbaco National Park in Mindoro is the habitat of the endemic but critically endangered tamarao. Mount Makiling Forest Reserve is the country's first national park, one of the country's 18 centers of plant diversity, one of the 32 key ecotourism sites, and the country's only botanic garden with a key role in global plant conservation. Its inhabitants include various species of flora and fauna endemic to the Philippines, and some are restricted to the mountain. Mount Apo Natural Park in south-central Mindanao is the country's highest peak and a key biodiversity area. Over 200 bird species, including the critically endangered Philippine eagle and other endemic species, live here. Mount Kitanglad Range Natural Park in Bukidnon is known as a nesting site for the Philippine eagle. It also serves as natural habitat for several endemic species of animals and plants. Mount Malindang Range Natural Park in Mindanao has 5 major habitats within the park and 7 major peaks with rivers and streams. It is home to over 1,000 plant and animal species, including more than 100 endemic ones. Mount Hamiguitan Range Wildlife Sanctuary in Davao Oriental is famous for its pygmy forest, with over 200 hectares of bonsai trees estimated to be a century old. Its relatively pristine vegetation is habitat to more than 1,000 species of plants and animals, over 300 of which are endemic. Mount Timpoong Hibok-Hibok Natural Monument is one of the smallest and distinctive biodiversity centers in the Philippines, which enjoys a high endemism of flora and fauna. It also boasts of distinct rock formations, mountain lakes, waterfalls, cold and hot springs, and soda waters. Protected areas are important. They ensure that the country's beauty and biodiversity are preserved for future generations.